Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Meredith and today I have another unboxing for you. This is going to be the BOXYCHARM for March 2021. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box this month, stay tuned because I'll be getting into it very shortly. However, if BOXYCHARM is not for you, I totally understand. It's not for everyone. I have other content on this channel that may be of interest to you. I typically post unboxing videos and then also some videos about spoilers for subscription boxes, and then also post my feelings and opinions about empties, and I'm working on some food content as well right now. So if any of that stuff interests you, take a look around and maybe consider subscribing and putting the little bell icon on. That would be great. If you are unfamiliar with BOXYCHARM, it is $25 per month and 5 full-size items every month. That being said, however, I personally do not pay for my BOXYCHARM. It is sent to me free for review. However, the YouTube video that you're seeing right now is not part of my agreement with BOXYCHARM. I am only to post the Instagram story as part of my agreement. So if you want to see what I post, definitely consider following me over there on Instagram. It's always linked in my description box below. So with that being said, in terms of my review, I am going to review it whether or not I would get my $25 worth of use out of the products and kind of give you my full and honest review, just because that's the way I roll. I don't like mincing words or trying to spin anything too positive or too negatively. With all that being said, I just really hope that the March box is a lot better for me personally than the February box was. That was a 100% a miss for me personally. I do know that a lot of people did get a lot of joy out of the products, however it just wasn't a good fit for me, which is just kind of one of those gambles that you take with doing a subscription box. Sometimes they hit really well, sometimes they're just a big miss for you. So that's just something that I wanted to throw out there. So honestly, I have no idea what's going to be in this box because BOXYCHARM is really hard to figure out spoilers for. So I did consider making spoiler videos on here, but honestly it's just like too much because I guess they post a lot of things on Facebook and I don't have a Facebook. So let me just open this up. So again, I had no idea this was even going to be coming to my door today, so I'm very unprepared. So this is what it looks like this month. So this little card here is just in the PR box, just to let you know that you need to tell people that you don't pay for your box, which I already did. And it looks like this is the card for this month. So the card for this month is the theme Lucky. It looks like my variation this month is C210313-BA. So I don't even know if those are even useful for you anymore, so leave a comment below if the variation number doesn't matter. However, after this was delivered to me, I did look on my FedEx app. I just didn't get any notifications prior to this time, but they did update it right after it was delivered, and it said that it was a 1.3 pound variation, so I don't know if that's useful to you at all. So on the back of the card here, it does provide you the information about all the products that are in here. I did not take a look yet, so I have no idea what's in here. So let me just show you this. So this is, again, what was on here. So it looks like there's one item here floating around on the top. Otherwise, there is like the typical foam in here as well. And I just dropped it. So I'm going to start with the item that I just dropped. It is the wet brush cleaning system with silicone scrubbing pad from Lavish. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. And this one is 1.05 ounces or 30 grams. And then let me see what the card here says. So this is a convenient brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. A textured silicone pad stores nicely inside the container and has a retail value of $15. So basically this seems like just what I bought from, what's it called? Beauty Blender, which was one of my go-to items. So I think the Beauty Blender one is around the same price, especially if you use a coupon code. So personally, I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to necessarily make a switch, but this is what it looks like. It does have a scent. It smells kind of like vanilla. And in terms of the disc of soap here, it is wrapped in plastic if you're interested. So I'm not going to open it right now because I do have that Beauty Blender one that I just started using a couple months ago that I bought on after Christmas sale. And then this is what the silicone brush cleaner pad looks like. So honestly, the brush cleaner pad looks a lot better than the one from Beauty Blender. And there's also like a little sticker here on the back, or a suction cup thing, I think. So it looks like that might yeah, it's a suction cup because now it's stuck to the lid. So that'll be kind of nice actually. So I do think that the scrubber is better than the Beauty Blender one, but the soap, I'm not entirely sure if I like the scent, to be honest. In terms of what's on the back information here, it says it's vegan friendly. So far so good. I don't think I would pay $15 for that just because, but again, this is me just on first impressions, just because the Beauty Blender one works really well for me, but I will definitely update you after I start using that one. The next product in the box that caught my eye is in this like red packaging, and this is from Maven Beauty. It's the Rose Water Setting Spray. It's a makeup setting spray. So actually I don't personally have one of these just because I really just started using makeup like maybe a couple months ago, and it says set your intentions and your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. Wow. And it says it has a manufacturer retail price of $22, and this is a brand new launch apparently. So the box has like little rose printing all over it, and it says roses are said to carry the highest vibrational frequencies of any known natural substance on the planet. Set your intentions and your makeup with our aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look. Okay, so it says the same thing. It's also in French. Shake well before use. After makeup application, close eyes and mist evenly 8 to 10 inches away from the face. It has 24 months of use after opening, and it is vegan. And if you are interested, it is made in the US. And let me open it. So I might actually open this and start using it. It's oddly upside down in the packaging. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, I opened it correctly, but it was upside down. So the packaging is like very flimsy plastic. I don't know if that'll come off on camera, and it's like an orange, like a red-orange color. So let me just see here. I'm gonna try to show you the mist to show you if it's actually good. But yeah, so since I have not opened any other setting spray, I don't even own one, I will be using this. I'm gonna just show you. So it is taking a little bit of time to prime, so I'll try to show you. I hope that was kind of showing you. It is quite fine mist, so it's actually quite nice. It's not like one of those sputter ones. Sometimes when you get like facial sprays, they're kind of sputtery, but this one looks like it is fine mist. The scent is like not too strong, to be honest. Let me see if I can, let me see if I can spray it on here on this foam. Yeah, so it's kind of, it's not really a strong scent, but it doesn't really smell like rose to me. If I'm being honest, it kind of smells like chloroseptic, but maybe that's just that foam that I'm using because I'm very professional. The ingredients do say that there is added fragrance, so maybe my nose is just off. Yeah, so I mean, I still sprayed it onto my arm, which has no perfume or anything on it. And yeah, I don't really smell any fragrance, to be honest. So I mean, if that's something that is of interest to you, you may want to try it out yourself. But it does not smell overwhelmingly like rose. So I mean, in terms of that, my Meredith value is I don't have one of these quite yet, but I don't know if it's going to work well. But I would probably say that, yeah, for my $5 per item, I probably did get my use out of that item as well. So far so good. 2 out of the 5 items I will use. The next item in here that really caught my eye is this very shiny pink packaging. It's like very mirrored, I guess. It's the Damn Girl 24-Hour Mascara from Too Faced. I apparently looked on the French side, and yeah, so everything is in French. Okay, here, the back. The back is not in French. So I'm gonna read the English so you don't have to struggle through me reading French. It says, Damn Girl's revolutionary cream mousse formula was developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lifting, lengthening, and locking in 24 hours of smudge and flake resistant curl. And then it has like a special brush, so I'm going to try to show you this because I'm not going to be opening it because I have a couple of mascaras open right now, but it is an infinity brush. I don't know if that's going to be in focus for you. And it says it is engineered to hug, lift, and curl each lash. Short bristles load the formula for immediate release and long bristles comb through to dispense product evenly for shocking volume, outrageous curl, and shamelessly thicker lashes. It says basically what I just read to you, and it has a $26 value. So personally, yeah, I will get my $5 worth of use out of this product. I probably would never have paid $26 for it. So I mean, it's nice to have a subscription box for that reason, because you get to try these products that have a high value without paying the full price to get there. So let me just open it. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is quite unique in terms of shape. It's like prismed. But yeah, it's quite nice. Again, I will not open it right now just because I don't want it to get contaminated before I can use it. So far 3 out of 5 is good. So the next product in here is from Kab. I'm not entirely sure what that is. Kab Cosmetics, it's a lip oil. So let me see what the information here says. It says that this is a hydrating lip oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable juicy lips all day long, and this has a $20 value. So I will probably use this just because I went through like honestly 5 lip balms in the past month or 2. So I'm like basically my lips just need some help. And this comes in like a blue color for me, but they did say it has 6 different tints, so I'm guessing there's probably different variations, but don't quote me on that, I have no idea. And then let me see, it does have fragrance in here, so let me just open this to show you what it is and maybe put some on. Ooh, it's very stringy. I don't know if you saw that. It's kind of sticky looking. Yeah, I'm honestly not a huge fan of the scent. It's kind of like a vanilla sort of scent. And kind of like maybe cocoa butter. So I don't know if that's in here. Yeah, so none of those 2 scents that I said are in here. Maybe it is the fragrance that they added. But yeah, probably not going to put this on at the moment, at least. I am interested in trying it out. Personally, would I pay $5 for it? Maybe not, just because I do have some other lip balms and things that I know work really well for my dry lip. So now I'm on to the last product here, and this is the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. So I'm actually going to take it out of the packaging because it's very shiny. It's like in this plastic packaging. So this is what it looks like here. It's like a matte cardboard. And then let me just open it. It does have a mirror. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to try to cover up the mirror. And then this is what it looks like. So it looks like there are 8 different shades in the palette. And this says, this palette is filled with rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthly brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. It has a $38 value. So let me just see this. I'm going to put the little cover back on so I don't mess it up. It does have like a little bit of crumbles in there. I don't know if that makes sense. It looks like some of the shadows got a little bit crumbly in the packaging and the shipping process. It is cruelty free and vegan, and it's good for 12 months after opening. See here, it is made in the USA and assembled in the Dominican Republic, if that's of interest to you. So I mean, personally, I think I've seen this in, what's it called, TJ Maxx. So I don't think I would pay the full price for this product. However, the shades are quite nice, and I don't have anything in my collection necessarily that is this color story, I guess. So I probably will use this, and I will let you know what I think about it. So in terms of this box, so personally this is a lot better than the February box. If I'm being honest, I was a little bit scared to open this. There were a couple of other products that were released in the spoilers that I did see that I wish I would have gotten, namely the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Cream. I really wanted to try that out, but with my variation, I am quite excited by most of the products. The only one that I'm a little bit on the fence about is this lip oil, but I probably will just try it out and see if it is hydrating at all. If not, no harm, no foul. I have plenty of other products that I can use. And then also the Too Faced mascara I'm a little bit on the fence about, just because I've tried some of the other Too Faced mascaras and they haven't really been great for my eyes because I have very specific eye needs, but I am very excited by this variation. Leave a comment below and let me know what you're hoping to see in your box this month or what you did receive, because I do think other people got their boxes a lot faster, including people that were like paying customers. So I've already seen some unboxing videos on YouTube already. So thank you again so much for watching, and I hope that you have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. Goodbye.